Cloud Backup in Sage 50 Cloud allows you to stop worrying about manual backups or whether you've remembered to take the USB drive home on a weekend. Sage 50 Cloud automatically backs up to your Office 365 account and notifies you of any problems. One simple setup and it just works. As the bookkeeper and office manager for Stone Arbor Construction, Pamela uses Sage 50 Accounting to manage day-to-day business activities and stay current on account statuses. As she works, she wants to make sure the company data is safe in case of system failure. Before Stone Arbor upgraded to Sage 50 Cloud with Microsoft Office 365, Pamela had to physically back up data to a USB drive and remember to take it home with her at the end of the day, returning to the office during off hours if she ever forgot. Through Sage 50 Cloud's Microsoft Office 365 integration, Pamela can leverage the power of Microsoft's cloud to sync and store information, ensuring Stone Arbor's data is safe and secure. During the Sage 50 Cloud setup process, Pamela entered her Office 365 credentials to establish a connection between her instance of Sage 50 and Stone Arbor's Office 365 environment. Since that connection was established, Pamela can configure Sage 50 Cloud's new feature, Cloud Backup. Cloud Backup automatically stores Sage 50 Cloud backup files in your Office 365 environment. Here, in Cloud Backup settings, Pamela can set a schedule for her auto cloud backup, including time of day and day of week. Pamela can also add email addresses to receive notifications of successful or failed backups and receive reminders if she has not backed up in a certain number of days. She still has the option to back up locally on her device or manually trigger an online backup to the cloud in Stone Arbor's Office 365 environment. Sage 50 verifies Pamela's Office 365 account credentials and then prompts her to make sure all users are logged out of Sage 50 before performing the backup. The backup is complete. If for any reason it was not successful, an error message would appear here instead. Thanks to Office 365's world-class security and compliance standards, you can rest assured that your backups will be stored safely and be available when you need them. Let's go there now and see the backups in the cloud. The Office 365 group that contains the Stone Arbor backup files is listed right here in Outlook. Pamela clicks into the Files tab where these are stored. Pamela can see the files were uploaded and are available in her Office 365 account. Not only does Pamela not have to remember to take USB drives home at night, but since she has scheduled automatic backups to the cloud, she doesn't have to remember to back up at all. With Microsoft Office 365's powerful Sage 50 Cloud integrations, not only can you ensure your data is safe, secure, and accessible anytime, but you can make use of a wide array of features designed to make your team more effective, reduce your bottom line costs, and grow relationships with your customers.